it to me? Okay. Emma. You say 1.
No.
2.
No.
3.
No.
4. 5.
No.
Emma, why are you so upset? Do you want to come read this book with Mommy? Come up here and read these books with me. Are you throwing a fit? Come sit in my lap. Okay.
Okay.
We're going to read it. Don't worry. Okay? Ready? Wheel. Bear. 1 bear and 1 wheel.
No.
No? 1 bear on 1 wheel? Two bears on 1 wheel?
What?
What?
Okay.
Okay, do you feel better now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. 3 on 1, 4 on 1. Okay. 4 bears on 1 wheel. 1 bear on 2 wheels.
Please.
You gonna read it to me? You say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.